Good morning, everyone. Now, today we will be starting with this paragraph because yesterday we have started with lesson number 2, that is changes in the neighborhood and school. Till here we have completed. And what we have read, just a small recap, that is in the last chapter we have learned about the family and the changes of family. In this lesson we will be reading about neighborhood and school, changes in the neighborhood and school. And yesterday we have read about the changes in the neighborhood. Like we go into next class, we meet new friends, we have a new class, then we have sometimes we have new teachers also. So there is a different kind of environment we have. So when someone in our locality, the new neighbors are coming, so they have the new culture, or they have different kinds of languages, festivals, we meet up with their families. So this is the another new change when the new neighbor come in our locality. So we will be starting from here, page number 17. Sometimes some of us may need to move to a different city or a different neighborhood within the same city. Now sometimes what happened, that some of us may need to move to a different city or a different neighborhood within the same city. Sometimes what happened, like we change our house due to some circumstances. So we are living in a same city, but we are unable to live in a particular place. So due to some reasons we have to change the house. So we will go and meet up the new neighborhood there, but we are there in the same city. Such a moment takes place when an elder in the family changes a job or decides to move to a new home. Like sometimes what happened, when we are living on a rental basis and we have taken a new house, and then after the construction is done, we will be shifting to our own new house. So then we have to leave that old place and we have to go to the new place. This is the example how we are in a same city but we have to change our house, or due to job also. So these are the two reasons. When we move to a new neighborhood, we become the new neighbors to the people already living there. Now the people are living there, they are already living there, so we will be new to them. We will be the new neighbors for them. As we start living in our new neighborhood, we also start meeting people from that neighborhood and making new friends. They learn more about us as we do about them. We might feel sad to have left our old friends and neighbors, but as we make new friends, we learn new things and slowly we get used to the new neighborhood. Now what happens, sometimes when we leave the place, we are missing our friends, missing our neighborhoods, and many of the things we are missing over there. But for the change in time, we make new friends, we learn new things, and slowly we adapt that particular change where we are living now in the new neighborhood. Look at these two pictures below. Can you see these two pictures? The first picture is of Chandni Chowk, Delhi as it looked in the 1860s. This is the first picture which is given about Chandni Chowk, which is in Delhi, and it is of 1860s. Okay. The one on the left shows a scene from Delhi Chandni Chowk area from 1860, more than 150 years ago from today. It is 150 years ago the picture is. The one of the right shows the same area in the present. What differences do you spot between them? Now carefully look at both the pictures. That first picture is of, both the pictures are of same place, but what are the changes we are seeing? First change, that it is very, in the first picture it is very clean. Here it is too much crowdy. Then here less people are there in the first picture, but in the second picture it's too crowdy. Many people are there. Then in the first picture you can see the greenery also, but in the second picture only you can see the people, shops, the wires, all those things you can see. The bustling area of Chandni Chowk, Delhi today. This is 150 years back and this is of today. So you can see the different kinds of changes. Then the picture tell us that every place changes, every neighborhood goes through the several changes and people changes too. Now this picture is telling us that place change, the neighborhood also change, several changes are there and people also changes too. A neighborhood changes because with time the number of people living in area increase. Now what happened? 1860 the population was also less, but as of today the population is also increasing. So what happened? When the number of people is increasing, this will be also the change in as of today as we compare from here. So more and more people start coming. Turn the page. More and more people start coming to bigger towns and cities to find job or to work. Now many of the people, those who are studying, they are not getting jobs in the smaller cities, so they go to the bigger cities or the metro cities for the job. As they start living in different neighborhoods, the neighborhoods needs to expand also. Also old buildings, roads, drains, water pipelines, etc. need to be repaired or replaced with new ones so that they drain water, pipelines, etc. Now what they are telling about, when the people will be increasing, our neighborhood will also be increasing. Also the old building, roads, drains, water pipe, etc. need to repaired or replaced with the new ones. Now there are many things which are very old, so we want to change them also according to the time. All these changes happen over a time and make a place or a neighborhood looks sometimes feel different than how it was earlier. Now very new things are there inside the very new things are coming inside the world, so we should also follow them. Sometimes some things are old, so we have to replace the old things and then we have to take the new things. Not always we have to replace the old things, but sometimes according to the changes we have to replace the old thing with the new thing. So now today we will be studying till here only. Changes in the school, this is the next topic we will be studying in the next video. Till then please revise the page number 16 and 17. Till then, thank you.